Welcome! If you've ever wanted to organize your Instagram activity and see all the posts you've liked in the past year, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to filter your Instagram likes by the past year, using the latest updates as of 2025. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, look to the top right of your profile screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the menu button, often called the hamburger menu. A new menu will slide out from the side. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on the app, from posts you've shared to the comments you've made. Next, scroll down and tap on Likes. This will show you a list of all the posts you've liked, but right now it's showing everything by default. To narrow it down to just the past year, look for the Filter by Date option at the top of the Likes page. Tap on it and you'll see a few different time frames you can choose from. Select Past Year's Instagram will now filter your liked posts, showing only those you've double-tapped in the last 12 months. It's a great way to revisit your favorite moments or clean up your activity if you want to unlike anything. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your Instagram likes by the past year. This feature is perfect for keeping track of your interests, managing your digital footprint, or simply taking a trip down memory lane. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials on the channel for the latest social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.